Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send ton from Bybit to Tonkeeper. So if you also want to send ton from Bybit to Tonkeeper, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tonkeeper application. Make sure you have created wallet in Tonkeeper. Wait for the interface to load. You can see over here Tonkeeper is opened. You're on the home page. You can see several options over here. Tap on the receive option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see a QR over here. You can also see the wallet address. You can see the option for copy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now the address is copied. Now what you have to do is go to Bybit application. Make sure you have a verified account in Bybit. You can see over here Bybit application is opened. Now at the bottom right corner you'll be able to see the icon for assets. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the available balance over here. You can see several other options over here. Tap on the withdraw option. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top you'll be able to see the search bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now search for ton. You can see over here ton will appear. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here you'll have to input address, network, tag or memo and amount. First of all, tap on the address box. Now paste the address that we had copied earlier. You can do it through the clipboard. Now choose the network. Tap on the network box. Now tap on the option ton. Tag or memo option is optional, so you can skip it. Now type in the amount. Tap on the amount box. Type in the amount. Now after you have input all the details, what you have to do is tap on the withdraw option that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to complete the transaction and then you'll be able to send ton from Bybit to Tonkeeper. So that is how you send ton from Bybit to Tonkeeper. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.